Hi, I'm Asia with Avimor, and today I'm going to show you one of our most popular floor plans, the Tamarack. So this Tamarack model starts at right around 1.1. It's about 2,400 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a 3-car tandem garage. The way that this model is built here creates a little bit more of our courtyard option because we have this extra bay here that isn't in the standard feature. This particular build is our model, and it's going to feature some of the upgrades and options that are available. The way that we built this one that you can see here, this is our den option. So this can be a den in lieu of an office. This can be built having this open here so that you can continue to see your views, or it can be closed in with double doors here. So these are the second bedrooms and the multi-gen suite. Currently, since it is the multi-gen suite, we have 1 bedroom here, a full bath here, and then this comes into that second living space that also has its own entry. So this multi-gen comes with an eating prep station. You've got your sink and a little refrigerator, which is very convenient, extra storage up top, quartz countertop throughout the whole house. And in here is a secondary ensuite. This is so lovely. There's so much room, as you can see. And as you come in here, we have a walk-in closet and a full complete bathroom. So as you can see here, we have the RV option with the extended workshop. This is about another 5-foot width for our workshop here. This is also showing the built-in option that we're able to do in that workshop. We're entering the primary suite here. As you can see, we have extended windows. This is a standard feature. I mean, that view is ridiculous. It's so gorgeous. Coming in here, we have a stand-up shower, a his and hers closet, which is so nice for some extra space. Dual vanities, of course. Also from the primary suite, you can access the backyard and patio. This kitchen features, as all of our kitchens feature, a quartz countertop, soft close cabinets, which are made by a local cabinet company, which we just love. This has the Gen Air package for appliances, the Gen Air appliance package, built-in refrigerator. This comes standard with all of our estate series. Another feature that I love in our islands, they come with full depth storage under each island. This here is our pantry. As you can see, we have lots of built-ins and a full counter with electrical outlets. All of our patios in this series come with pavers. It's covered, inset lighting, and fans. We have included as an option, just so that you can see what it looks like, we have turf in this yard instead of sod. One of the benefits of turf, it's green all year round and you never have to mow it. This landscape that they see here in the foothills, this is always going to be the view. We're never going to build on this. This person's view is always going to be this view, and it's just gorgeous. It's so peaceful. Thanks for checking out the Tamarack with me. If you have questions about this home or any of the homes here at Avimor, stop into the sales office or check out avimor.com.